let's get into it. All right, so as y'all can see right here, I got a closed grand. That's just what I'm using for my bass, aka like my melody. So boom, we got the closed grand. Hold on, man. I ain't gonna lie. Throw that D&D on right quick. All right, boom, man. So look, we got our closed grand on. Got the piano. And then right here we got our claps. Now I didn't really do too much on the melodies. I kind of just laid down the piano, and then I just got into my drums. Sometimes like when you making beats, you just gotta kind of really keep it real simple, and like just keeping it nice and simple. It just make it less complicated. And sometimes the more simple, the more smoother it comes out. But yeah, man, we damn, I can't even talk. Let y'all hear the claps right quick. All right, now here's the piano right here. Got the hi-hats. Check me out though. I'm these the 808s right here. Hi-hats right here. Just something slight, man. You feel me? Just something slight. Nothing major. Feel me? Something slight, something slight. All right, boom. Let y'all hear that all together. All right, so boom, as y'all can see these little knobs right here, I'm finna click all these off, and then I'm finna just get started with my piano. Yeah, man. So basically that's how I do it. You feel me? I just I kind of slip in the claps first, and then I slip in them hi-hats, and then that 808, that boom, 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 you feel me? Little background noise candy with the open hi-hats. But yeah, after that I just kind of loop everything. And then voila, man, you got your beat. Um Sometimes I kind of just split it down the middle on some parts and just, you feel me, cut it out right quick. Like right here. Let's see how that sounds. Here. So like at the ending of the bar, at the ending of the bars, gonna cut out. Type shit, you feel me? A little transition though, you feel me? Now that we cut the ending out and we finna transition into like the next segment of the beat, I'm finna cut the hi-hats out. And then I'm gonna cut the claps out too. Or yeah, I'm gonna keep the claps. Then it's gonna give it a different sound. And then boom, I'm gonna copy the piano. I'm gonna paste it back in there. And it's gonna it's gonna punch back in. But all right, let's see how this sound. That's really the end of it. Stay tuned. I'm finna be making beats from scratch, man. I just kind of had to, I ain't gonna lie, your boy been rusty with making the beats, man. But hey, your boy getting it back though, man. But stay tuned for more bangers. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.